Okay, we're gonna test the new sitting cat stamp. Not quite there yet. Well, that's nice and inky. Okay, pressing it down. Hey, gotta give him a little life. Pink ears, pink nose, and some yellow eyes.